Bundy's Garage, Bundy here. I'm with my good buddy Darren. He's the owner of Direct Truck and Diesel Repair in San Bernardino, California. He's owned this business. How long have we had this business?
22, 23 years. 22,
okay.
23.
Okay. So I just wanted to sit down with him, ask him a couple questions about the industry. So Darren had the pleasure of going back to Jasper, Indiana to see Jasper Motors in action as far as their remanufacturing process and all that's involved with their engines, transmissions, diesel engines. So just picking his brain, what were your thoughts when you saw their operation out in Jasper, Indiana?
I thought it was amazing. I had no idea it was that big. I had no idea the variety of things that they worked on. It was just, I saw things I'd never seen before. I'd never really seen splatter welding. I'd never seen, them straightening crankshafts and splatter welding them and grinding them. Fixing and repairing cylinder heads and the transmission portion of it, and just the great attitude that everybody had there. They were really nice people, and there could be a guy working and you're going through the tour and you could stop and ask him a question. He'd just stop working and, answer all these things. And I thought it was pretty amazing what they were doing. It seemed like a good place to work. The people seemed happy there, and it seemed pretty good.
What about their product?
Their product, I love their service. They have they have really good salespeople, and then when you call, outside salespeople have always been good. Anybody who ever stopped by our shop, always good. You call them on the phone. Mm-hmm. They're on it. It's not like I'll call you back. You're like, hey, what's the VIN number? You give them VIN number, and they're like, okay, here's the options that you have, and here's the motor, and here's the gasket set, and we'll email to you what we've done to improve this engine or improve this transmission. So you gotta love that, that's something you can show the customer. And the prices were fairly close to, I'm sure they keep track of that, but like say you had a Chevy motor, so you call your Chevy supplier and say, hey, what's my price and what's my warranty? And then call Jasper, what's my price, what's my warranty? And they're about the same. Okay. It seems like Jasper can most of the time get stuff quicker. Like they tell you right then. They're back in Jasper, Indiana, and they're like, they would know where you're at because we're an account for that or whatever. They're one of our vendors. And they would say, oh yeah, we have one in such and such, can have it to you tomorrow. And you're like, I gotta get an approval first, but they were on it. And then when you were done and you needed the core picked up, you called it, and whenever they told you they were gonna show up, they pretty much would show up and pick up that core and done deal.
But you haven't bought a lot from them.
Haven't bought a lot from them. If we're gonna talk about the downside of Jasper.
Yeah, talk about the downside.
Is that when we would have it's a downside, okay, here's the positive part of the downside, if there's such a thing. Engine comes back having an issue. So you opened up a warranty claim, and then they tell you, check this, and this, and get back to us. So you check said items, and they're like, okay, so that all proved out good. Check this, and this, and then they'll tell you, okay, we're gonna send you this part to put in there. And they'll actually pay for the labor. It's not what I wanna get paid, dollar-wise, and I wanna get paid for more hours, but at least they're willing to pay something, mm-hmm. right? And their tech guys are helpful. Like we had bought a transmission pretty recently, and it came back. We thought it was a problem with the transmission. It really looked that way. But we got to talk to one of the tech guys, and he goes, hey, here's your claim number, open it up. This is what, work off of this. And then I'll have you do this, and this. And so he said, you know what? I'm gonna send you a wire harness, internal wire harness, because we typically inspect those, but we don't replace them. That could be your problem with the codes you're having and the issues you're having. That harness could be bad. So boom, within a day, we have the harness. We install it, and it didn't fix it. So then we called him back. I said, that pretty much rules out the transmission. He's like, yeah, I think it's on the truck side. So went to the truck side. We did end up finding a problem. Automatically we put a transmission and we suspect transmission has failed. Mm-hmm. But as we started looking through some things, we found some wiring problem up near the engine compartment that, maybe we did it, I don't know. Or maybe that's just something that happened, but it was probably a month after we installed it. So we called them, let them know, hey, there's nothing wrong with your transmission. And you would think they might want to go, hey, well, you owe us for a wire harness, right? But they didn't. They're like, hey, glad you found your problem out. Mm. So super friendly, super helpful.
What do you think as far as Jasper versus dealership?
I think there's a little more defect in the Jasper product. But I can't compare apples to apples because I'd have to buy the same engine from Ford and then the same one from Jasper. But
because you've gotten a lot of stuff from Ford.
A lot, yeah.
A lot.
And I would say we've had that one where I told you that 6.0 that we put the engine in like 6 months later, The number 5 connecting rod was punched through the side of the block.
Did they warranty that?
They did, and the good thing that Ford did, but it was difficult to get my money, is they said that they would work on it because it was parts and labor. So they said tow it to us. So we towed it to them. So 2 weeks go by. Nobody's working on it. Customer calls me and he's angry. I mean, it's a big account for us. And I'm like, hey, is anybody working on that? And they're like, oh no, we haven't touched it. So I freak out, talk to the manager. I'm like, hey, what are we gonna do? I gotta get my guy back on the road. And so he says to me, hey, you know what? You do it and Ford will pay you. All right. So we go pick it up. They give us a motor. We put it in. The hard part was because in a cutaway van, there's no hourly whatever to figure out what the labor should be.
There's no book time.
So I'm like, how do I submit this? How do you want me to submit this? And so they're like, well, just submit it. My parts guy says, just submit it. They paid everything.
650 hours.
Right, that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. They paid everything except the tow bill, which I was fine with that because if I did that for Jasper, say like if my shop rate, I want to be depending on what size truck, say if I'm anywhere from 105 to 125, depending on type of truck. Yeah. Jasper, I think, and then you're talking about small pickups, but that I buy from them, but their price on the I think they usually pay me about $75 an hour for warranty work. Okay. But as far as being able to get to a guy, Jasper, I mean, as far as being able to get to talk to somebody and go, hey, here's the problem we're having. What are you thinking? Do you think it's an engine? Do you think it's this? What do you think we should check? I mean, we know what to check, but you deal with this every day. What are you having problems with? I mean, we had one problem with the Jasper engine one time that was crazy. We didn't install it, but somebody brought it in and somebody else has installed it. And it was a 5.4 gasoline engine, and you know how it has the tensioners for the timing chains, and they have what, I don't know what they call them, we call them a grenade pin. Yeah. So, you know, you put the tensioners in, put all the chains, and then you got to pull the pin before you put the front cover on. Well, they didn't pull any of the pins. So
the pins are sitting in there?
Yeah, but it would still run. It would still run, but every once in a while the timing would be off.
Well, that's because he was about to go to lunch.
Right.
Or it was Friday night and he had to get his beers.
Right.
He left the pins in.
Right. But it was just one pin. So one side of the motor was running good, the timing was good, but the other side would kind of have some variable.
Just one.
Yeah, the variable geometry on that camshaft would be a little bit. But you know, like I said, that was something somebody else did. They paid us for our diag time. They sent us a front cover gasket. They sent us the stuff. Did I get paid as many hours as I wanted to get paid? No, but it was still close as far as book time. Because I think book time's crazy. At me as being a private shop owner, I don't want to work for book time. I don't. The book time is so like what I don't like about book time, and I know this is off topic, but what I don't like about book time is that is for a guy who basically is working on something that's brand new. Like say Kingpins and an Isuzu, right? Some of these fleet, we have to go through like Donlin fleet and all these ARI fleet. Yeah. And we're like, hey, we want 9 hours to do the Kingpins. And they're like, hey, no, it doesn't pay 9 hours. It pays 4. And I'm like, hey, have you ever done them? Because these are supposed to be mechanics that we're talking to on the other end. Well, yeah, I go, you haven't. Because you're going to get a torch, and depending on what happens and how much you got to heat it out, you may spend 3 hours getting one Kingpin out, depending on, you know. So I don't want to work for book time. Yeah, if the truck was brand new and hadn't been in the snow or wherever it's been, and it's brand new and we got everything set down and everything's clean, yeah, you can probably do it in that amount of time. As long as that's saying that you did it the day before. So now you remember exactly how to do it. But do you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to work for book time. Yeah. We're going to charge more than book time.
Yeah, because it always takes more than book time.
It does. I don't care. I mean, I've heard, I ask dealerships and stuff, hey, you work on Nissans? Yeah, I work on Nissans every day. If you get a Ford in there, like a used car Ford, what do? They go, we'll look at shop time or warranty time and double it. So it says it's a 3-hour job, they'll charge 6. I don't go that crazy, but you know, that's great. I mean, if you like working for book time and you can make money at book time, go for it.
Exactly. Well, I know you got to get out of here, Darren, and I appreciate your time. I really do. And we're going to put this all together. Guys, Darren, check out his website or just Google him, Direct Truck. And thanks for watching. And thanks for watching, guys.